Alibang ka ng 30, para naman 32, nagkakabali naman 32, kailangan pa. Number 22, matake by number 15, pasok by number 21, pasok by number 22, tumira ng 3, wala, alibang by Alibay by number 19, pasok by number 13, pasok by number 32, wala pa rin, alibang by Gangka, pasok by number 27. Number 28, tumira ng 3, Number 4, bumawi number 4, number 27, nagbabagal number 27, number 20, nakuha na number 13, mispag na lang, kaya niya raw si Dangka. Number 27, number 15, number 15, wala, rin nakuha ng Sherry, foul. Number 21. Nakakadalawa na. Number 4. Number 27. Magpukulosaba pastor by number 28. Wala pang 3 point lang ang tira mo. Holloway. Holloway na kailan si Holloway. Yun, nga pa. Pastor by number 27. Number 27. Sabla, number 19, pasok by number 32, pasok by number 4, pasok by number 21, balik kay Holloway, balik sa number 4, number 22, 7 minutes and 20 seconds, number 22,
kada mga to asok na lang
Kumatsala, pasok by number 15, pinapasang tira, iba by number 21, pasok by number 3,
dami-daming jersey, tatlo-tatlo. Ang kinalabasan na. Wow, tatlo-tatlo jersey. Ang kinalabasan na sorted.
Team Rose Street yan si Bruce.
Basket. Number 27.
Maganda talaga siguro isa lang ang jersey.
Pasok by number 28 na laman. Sablay, ribaba number 21, number 21, pasok by number 4, number 4, sila yung pinapin sa kanila, Rodoni Dangka, pasok by number 15. Soka naman dyan, santak-dakan lang. Pasok by number 21, bali na kuha number 32, wala, ribaba by number 21. Number 21.
Hindi kasama yata ni JD yun eh.
Number 15. Foul. Who's foul? Number 15. Foul. First personal foul. Number 15. Tumira 3. Wala. Rebound by number 32. Nakuha na number 5 by number 22. Number 22 nung magmamadali na ito. Kinalima pa. Number 4. Number 4. Easy the ball by number 4. Pasok by Holloway. Tumira na 3. Sablay. Nakuha na number 13. Pasok by number 32. Wala pa rin. Nakuha na number 13. Pasok by sa Holloway. Number 28. Password by number 15. Password by number 27. Number 27, inagis ang bola. Wala. Rebound by Dangka. By number 28, tumirang 3. Wala pa rin. Holloway. Number 19. Ang ganda naman ang pasa. Password by number 27. Nakuha nga lang ng number 13. Number 13, matake, pasok by number 32 na naman. Storm machine. Number 22. Number 22, matake, kinalawa, wala, by Danka. Palipal si Sherwin. Number 4. Easy layup by number 14. Pinapangasa by number 27. Number 27. Pasok by number 15. Pasok by number 27 to Tangkal Numeral 3. Wala. Rebound by number 22. Wala pa rin. Kanya pa rin ang bola by number 22. Number 19. Pasok by number 4 to Numeral 3. Supply. Number 22. Number 22. Pasok by number 27. Spot. Number 4. Pasok by number 19. Holloway. Balik sa number 4. Number 4. Pasok by Holloway. Tumila ng place pa lang. Sa number 13 by Holloway na naman. Pasok by number 32.
Inikot pa yung bola eh.
Number 22. Number 22. Pasok by number 28. Number 28. Wala. Rebound by Holloway. Nakuha pa rin ni Holloway. Holloway. Oh! Bola na.
3 minutes and 25 seconds sa kanina oras. Official score 14-23 in favor of Splash.
Pasok by number 27. Number 27, niikot ang bola. Pasok by number 28, number 15. Wala, rebound by number 12. Number 12. Number 12, pasok by number 3. Number 3, pasok by number 12. Basket.
O diba, assorted talaga jersey nila. Iba-iba talaga, kala mo walang
Number
jersey.
22 pasok by number 27. Number 27, Wapins. Number 7 pala siya. Pasok by number 3. Wala. Lima by number 15. Pasok by number 22. Number 22. Pasok by number 27. Wala. Rebound ni Holloway. 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 Bola ng YB. Number 28, pasok by number 22. Wala, rebound by number 12. Number 12, pasok by number 12, pasok by number 3. Wala. Nakuha na, oy. Big ball po ang tawag ng ating referee. Number 27, pasok by number 15, pasok by number 22, pasok by number 7, number 7, wala, nakuha ni number 27, number 27, nagbili ng bola sa ring, number 27 pa rin, nagmadali, wala, off bola ng YB.
1 minute and 50 seconds.
Number 22. One minute and 32 seconds.
Hiba the ball, Kawaya. Kawaya. Tunabos in. Wala. Hiba the Marquez.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Basket. Manuel.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Manuel nagbaba ng bola. Ngayon sa gilid kay Ventilio. Lakas. Penal. Penal. Nakasawin. Billy Marquez. Tres. Basket.
20 seconds.
Number 3. Parinas, 3 points. Santos. Kumanuel.
42 seconds.
Manuel. Bumatawin. Ang laki mo, number 7.
25 seconds.
Marquez.
20 seconds. 20 seconds. Ang oras, 20 seconds na lang. 19 to shoot.
Marquez. Julio.
15 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock.
Sa gilid. Tulak. Fernandez. Lawan Santos.
Oras na lang, kaya basa na lang. Wala nang oras.
End of second quarter, 13-30. Favor.
End of the first quarter. Kagina, number 7. Lobos. Luna. Bigyan Manuel. Number 7 naman. Paul Marquez. Paul Marquez, number 7. Sa 3 points, si Black Mamba. Kano. Number 4. Benny Marquez. Kagina kay Hana. Kano. Manuel. Paswig na. Cristobal ang wala. Number 4. Sa 3 number 3. Number 22, Manuel. Cristobal, wala. Nakuha yung regalo. Marquez, lumiyap, ang lakas. Nakuha yung Jaguama. Kano, umirip, loto shot, bigin. Holigario. Wala Manuel. Foul. Number 3. First personal foul, number 3. Second team foul. Sa 3 points, number 11. Basket yan. Ha? Santiago. Number 4. Yes. Sa 3. Black Mamba. Tumaruin. Wala, nari mo rin na. Cristobal. Ang laki mo, Cristobal. Wala, nari mo rin. Pasig lang, Tiago. Easy 2 points. Number 4. Manuel. Sa gitna ng Cristobal. Piso-piso. Easy basket. Konti-konti na tumingin ang kanan. Nagagor, David. Tumagis. Pumulang 3. Balcon. Kawain. Pangandri. Pilas sa gilid. Yoyo. Basket ang pangalawa. Manuel. Kano. Foul, Marquez. Second personal foul, Marquez. Santiago airball, nakuha yung dangka. Cristobal, pinilit na naman. Kanya ulit. Pehan. Pehan, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Foul to shoot, tama 7, piso-piso. Cristobal.
6 minutes and 17 seconds.
Regay. Nag-aaral na pa ako saan? Sa ilalim mo rin kayo! Wala rin kayo mo rin! Basket! Kailangan rin kayo! Manuel!
Score 30-40.
Manuel! Head lang ka ba? Hano!
5 minutes 50 seconds. Second
Wala!
quarter.
Alam kayo, Marquez! Foul! Ay, traveling wala! Violation! Sorry! Splash na din. Tama kayo, kayo! Ha?
Number 4. Magkaka pa sa number 2. Pass out. Number 22. Number 22 pasok by number 11. Number 11 pasok by Dangka. Pasok by Black Mamba. Number 27 pasok by number 4. Pasok by number 12. Number 12 pasok by number 3. Pasok by number 27. Oh, may nakuha ang foul. Number 27. Ay 7. Number 7, Santiago. Ay di. Basket. Number 22, pass the ball. Number 34, number 34, penalty kay Dangka, pass the ball, Santiago. Wala, rebound by number 13. Number 13, pass by number 2, pass by number 4. Number 4, isilang ang bola. Pass by number 12, number 12, basket by number 3. Wala, rebound ng number 12, Aleu. Number 22. Number 22. Oh, stay back. Wala, rebound by number 7. Ang lakas mo talaga. Number 12, passing by number 27, number 27 yung bakit ng Diskaya by number 27, passing by number, oh, nakuha na ang Dangka, passing number 22, aray ko ang sakit yun, Santiago, 14, mamaya, may 30 ako sa'yo, napakabog pa ako. Number 4, number 4, along by number 3, nakuha na number 22, passed by Black Mamba. Number 34, wala, rebound by number 3, passed by number 12, number 12, bataw by Black. Number 27, wala, rebound by Santiago, passed by sa number 7. Number 7, Danggalan labanan, wala pa rin. Nakuha na number 27, pasok by number 4. Number 4, pasok by number 12, wala pa rin. Oh! Basic foul by number 4. Ito tayo penalty. Penalty. Pasok ang unang tira ng number 22. Rebound by Holloway. Pasok by number 4. Tumira ng 3. Sablay. Rebound by number 15. Pasok by Santiago. Pasok by number 22. Number 22 kung Suffer Wood. Wow! Ang ganda sana yun. Nakuha ni Holloway. Nakuha pa rin niya. Ayan na nagmamadali siya. Double touch na. Sub tayo rin. Santos. Pass to Santiago. Sablay. Nakuha pa ng Santiago. Pass by number 27 kay Santos na to. Wala. Nakuha na yun. Sana. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Pass by number 22. Wala. Nakuha na number 27. Santos. Pass by number 7. Balikatan ng labanan. Harapan. Raglang magsakitan. Number 27 by number 27 na naman. 3. Santos. Pass by number 34. Pass by number 15. Rebound ng number 7. Number 7. Pasok by number 32, pasok by number 21, by number 27, wala, rebound by number 15, pasok by Santos. Santos by Black Mamba, wala. Bola ng Slash Brother. Ang oras natin ay 49 seconds. Pasok by number 32, tumira ng 3. Rebound. Nakuha ng number 21. Pasok by number 27. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 32. Pasok by number Holloway. 30 seconds. Number 27. Basket. Santiago. 2 seconds. Santiago. Pasok by number 7. 15 seconds. Number 7. Oh, may nakuha foul. Who's foul up? 12 seconds. Number 19. Holloway foul. 12 seconds na lang po ang oras natin. Na Holloway. Pasok ulit. Number 4. 10 seconds. Buzzer na lang po ang marinig ninyo. 5 seconds. Number 15, foul. 14 foul pa lang. 14. Holloway. Buzzer na lang po marinig ninyo. Number 12. Pasok by number 13. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Pasok by number 27. Number 27. Pasok by Santiago. Number 7. Number 7 in Arana. Pasok by number 27. 30 shoot. Tumira ng 3. Number 12. Pasok by number 13. Pasok by number 21. May nakuha foul. Number 7 foul. Second personal foul, number 7.
Bata pa ako, bro.
Basket.
Mga walang kwenta dyan yun sa comedy.
Basket pa rin ng pangalawang tira. Number 27 by Santos. Santos passer by number 15. Oh! May nakulang foul. Number 21, foul. Hawak kamay. Number 28, mayroon naman nag-press. Sablay, rebound by number 15. Pass by number 7, wala. Holloway, pass by number 32. Easy low by number 32. Number 27, Santos. Pass to Santiago. Number 11. Pass by number 27 and around. Bang! Number 12. Pass by number 21. Pagbalik sa number 12. Ang ganda ng play. Number 27. Pass to Santiago. Pass to number 15. Balik kay Santiago. Sayang. Di nakuha. Yoshinobu. Back. Santiago. Bang. 3. Number 12. Pass to Holloway. Pass to number 32. Number 32 to Riscado, number 32. Tabay ang bola ng YB. Ang oras natin ay, sabihin nyo na lang, may kayo dyan. Santos. Pasok na yung 45 seconds. Up, foul, down. Number 13. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Basket ang unang tira ni Guapins. Pangalawang tira, pasok pa rin ang aking kamukha. Naligo lang sa dagat kaya umitim ako. Number 13, bagbaan na to. Number 13. Number 27, Santos. Easy ang bola kay Santos. Pasok by number 15. Number 15, already started by number 15. In his spot, Benga. Number 12. James Favor. Number 12, lumatake. Oy, may nakuwang foul. Who's foul rep? Santiago, foul, number 11. Hello, this Friday, may nakuwang foul by number 15. Number 15 foul. Third personal foul, number 15. 13 foul. Number 12. Number 12, umidiskari paso by number 13. Wala, lakas ng tira. Buti na lang, nandun si number 21. Santiago, dumiskare si Santiago. Wala, rebound by number 7. Number 7, basket yan. Pipilitin mo. Basta ipasok mo. Number 12, pasok by number 32. Ang galing naman. Number 28. Number 28. Inaagawa na number 28. Hindi mapigilan. Ibang by number 28 pa rin. Ang Basket yan. Kay Pogi. Basket pa rin. Shot. Number 12. Number 12. Passed by number 13. Passed by number 12. Number 12 dumiskarte. Kinaliwan layup ng number 12. Basket. Number 28. Number 28.
62-63. Lamang ng isa. Splash Brothers.
3 point by Santiago. Oras, 5 minutes exactly. Well, number 12, passed by number 13, passed by Holloway, Holloway by number 19, basket then. Number 28. Number 28. Number 28. No, backing. Number 12, passed by number 32, passed by Holloway. Holloway balik sa number 32, tumira ng 3. 3 point by number 32, Santiago. Pass to Blanca, passed by Santos. Santos, lumiskali po tatahalan si Santos, passed by number 28. Number 28, wala na po ni Santos.
Kapit!
Oh, goal team, running ball penalty na. Santiago.
Tulong guys kasi yung
Number
kalbo eh.
12. Pass by number 21, pass by number 13. Bang, bang.
Tulong guys yung referee na kalbo. Hindi niya nakita na kumapit na sa ano eh.
Santiago, pass by number 15, pass by number 13. Wala, butata. Di ba may number 13? Number 13, oy, nakuha ng bola ni Dama, pass by Manuel, pass by number 28, wala. Holloway. May nakuhang foul kay Bentillo. Penalty na po tayo, rep.
3 minutes. Sab ka.
Ilan na si Bentillo?
Kasi anong quarter na doon? Ha?
Santiago. Pass by number 24 by Manuel, pass by Santiago, pass by Bentillo. May nakuhang foul. Number 21 foul. Penalty na po tayo. Number 21. Dula, third personal foul na. Bentillo. Basket yan kay Bentillo. Number 12. Pass by number 27. Pass by number 13. Oh, ang ganda naman ang pasa. Libre-libre. Manuel pass by Santiago. Balik kay Daka. Nakuha ni number 21. Number 34, foul. Second personal foul by number 34.
Oras, 2 minutes and 9 seconds.
Sub. Pass by number 34. Pass to the Benfica. Bang. Number 27. Number 27 pass by number 12. Number 12. Balik kay number 12 ulit. Spot. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Pass by number 34. Number 34. Number 27. Number 27. Manuel. By Santiago. Tumira ng 3 point. Number 12. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Number 13. Muntik pa madulas. Nakuha.
Oh, iniwan.
Sayang magbola.
Oras, 1 minute.
Number 27. By Holloway. 3 point.
30 seconds.
Continue. Wala. Holloway. Pass to by number 27. Wala pa rin rebound by Manuel. Pass break by number 7.
15 seconds.
Number 7. Pinipili kay number 7. Wala pa rin. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Ako kayo. Wala pa rin.
Ang marinig natin ha.
Basta na lang po ang marinig nyo. Pass by number 7. Number 7 may nakuha foul. Number 3 foul. Basket yan. Holloway. Ang Holloway. Dumiskada si Holloway. Ang galing naman. Di lang pumasok. By Manuel. Nagmamadali si Manuel. Pastor by Santos. Pastor by Black Mamba. Bang! Number 4. Pastor by number 13. Number 13. Nangalapaw. Wala foul. Traveling ka. Sabi ng ating dalawang referee pogi.
All 80.
Manuel. Nakuha ng number 3. Number 3 pass by Holloway. Pass by number 3.
Di pa sinot na lang.
Number 7. Pass to Manuel. Santiago. Balik kay Manuel. Pass to by Black Mamba. Bam! Back to back. Number 4. Pass break by number Santiago.
Ano eh.
Holloway. Holloway tumira ng 3. Ang lakas. Rebound by Manuel. Pass break by Santiago. Santiago tumira ng 3. Pass by number 12. Number 12. This is Charlie number 12. Rebound by number 7. Pass by Santos. Santos. Nagawa na rin si Santos. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Pass by number 12. Number 12. Dumiskade. Nispat. Ang layo ng tira. Rebound by number 7. Pass by Manuel. Manuel isi ang bola. Pabayo na style dyan. Pass by Santos. Santos. Pass by Santos. May nakuhang nangitlog ka. 3-second violation. Number 12. Pass break by number 3. Pass by Harry. Nakuha ng number 7. Nakuha ni Santos. Pass by Manuel. Manuel, lumiskari si Manuel. Oh, he's stepping off the line. Number 12, pass break kay Harry. Lima na lang po ang kalamangan ng YB. Manuel. Pass to Santiago. Santiago, balik kay Santos. Santos, balik kay Santiago. Balik kay Black Mamba by Santiago. Bang! Number 12, jersey number 12. Pass by number 3. Bumawi ito. Kapos nga lang. Isi ang bola. Santos, pass by Manuel. Manuel, and to shoot. Number 7. Number 7. Ang lakas mo. Ang lakas mo. Kamukha kasi kita. Number 13. Ayan na. Babawi na number 13. Number 13. Foul. Number 7, foul. Ang kamukha ko, foul. Tawad to, gago. Pangit ka kasi. Personal foul para kay number 7. Pangit ka kasi. Oras, 5 minutes and 24 seconds. Naligo lang ako ng dagat kaya umitim ako na. Basket. Manuel. Manuel. Isang bola. Paso by Santiago. 10 to shoot. Santiago. Paso Santos. Santos. Ang ganda naman ang play. Number 12. Paso by number 13. Babawi ito. Wala, ribabay Santos. Isi ang bola kay Manuel. Balik kay Santos ang bola. Rumachana si Santos. Number 12. Number 12. Wala, ribabay Manuel. Manuel. Pass to Santos. And 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Rebound by number 13. Number 13. Pass by Holloway. Holloway. May nakuha ang foul. Number 34. Foul. Laking foul. Sub daw po tayo. Black Mamba, number 34. Third personal foul. Sampo tayo.
Tawag ka.
Santiago. Pasi Santos. Santos. Didiskarte si Santos. Kumuros pwede shoot by Santos. Wala. Oy. Foul. Foul ka, number 21. Volleyball graduate by number 21. 14 to shoot. Oras, 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Santos na naman ang bola. 10 to shoot. By Santiago. Bang! Holloway. Pass by number 3. Pass by number 21. Balik kay Holloway. 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 Dumiskali si Holloway. Pagkataan. Nakuha ni Santiago. Santiago versus Manuel. Manuel Gonzalo si Manuel. May nakuha ang foul. Foul by Holloway. Number 19 foul. 14 to shoot. Holloway, third personal foul. 13 foul. Manuel, tumira ng press. Wala, diba? Nakuha ni Holloway. Holloway, pinaula ni Santos. Santos, number 27. Oras, 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Number 12. Pasubay Holloway, wala. Oy, nakuha na number 3 na naman. Walang. Manuel. Nanto ako. Manuel. Patay oras kay Manuel tayo dyan. Manuel, dumidiskali si Manuel. Ayan na. Hindi matay to shoot. Nakalusot. Ribambay. Kapo-kapo. Traveling nga lang. Sayang. Number 12. Pass by number 3. Hindi makatira sa 3 by number 2 natin. By number 13. May nakuwang foul. Foul, number 22, Manuel. One import penalty. 14 to shoot. Tumira ng tres. Walang lakas ang tira ni Holloway. Nakuha ni Santos. Santos Machada, pasa sa number 15. Number 15, basket. Nakuha na number 12. Tumira ng tres. Ang lakas ng tira. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Manuel. By Santos. Santos na naman. Nagmamadali na naman po si Santos. Mukhang may laro pa to sa ibang court. 10 to shoot. By number 15. Number 15. No, Manuel. Ay, Santiago. Nakuha na number 12. Number 12. Passed by number 3. Number 3. Balik sa number 21. Wala. Nakuha ni Santos.
Holloway. Iwanan na natin.
Santos.
Okay, dun.
15 to shoot. Oras, 1 minute and 5 seconds. Kamukagro, wala. Madamlay na ang Splash Brother.